Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to move my text box in Photoshop. For step on, click selection tool, quick selection tool or magic on tool as you wish. I use quick selection tool, then Control Z for duplicate layer. Now see this, move text box and remove here or remove this box. Right click on your mouse, fill content here. Wait some moment. Okay, press Ctrl D. And another way to step 2. Now see this text box. See this text and see this text box. Hold Ctrl, select text box, Ctrl Z for group. Now move. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.